Today, let's take an in-depth look at the Cat8 Ethernet cable, a heavy-duty networking solution designed to bring hyperspeed and reliability to both your home and office environments. This cable is engineered for high performance, supporting bandwidths up to 2000 MHz and data transmission speeds reaching an impressive 40 gigabit per second. Whether you're streaming HD videos, playing online games, or handling professional data transfers, this cable aims to eliminate lag and signal interference. One of the standout features of this Cat8 Ethernet cable is its robust build. Constructed with 100% oxygen-free copper and featuring 4 pairs of 26 AWG pure and thick shielded twisted pair STP wires, it ensures minimal signal degradation even over longer distances. The dual-layer shielding, which includes an aluminum foil shield and a woven mesh shield, works in harmony with a high-quality UV-resistant PVC jacket to provide exceptional durability. This makes it ideal for both indoor setups and harsh outdoor conditions, with the cable being weatherproof, UV-resistant, and capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and humidity. The cable comes equipped with RJ45 connectors on both ends, which guarantees wide compatibility with a vast range of devices, such as IP cameras, routers, gaming consoles, modems, and a host of networking equipment like servers and patch panels. This backward-compatible design means it works well with older cable standards like Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and even Cat7, ensuring you can upgrade your network without having to replace all your existing infrastructure. In real-life scenarios, users have reported a significant improvement in network performance. From seamless streaming to uninterrupted online gaming, the Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers on its promise of high-speed connectivity. It's particularly beneficial in environments where constant connectivity is critical, like smart homes or small and medium enterprise LANs. However, it's important to note that while the cable is highly efficient, the overall performance still depends on the network hardware in use. Additionally, the thickness of the cable might prove to be slightly less flexible compared to thinner alternatives, which could affect installation in tight spaces. Compared to other Ethernet cables available in the market, especially those with a 32AG build, the Cat8 stands out for its thicker and more robust structure, leading to enhanced data stability and faster performance. For optimal results, ensure that your networking devices are capable of supporting such high transmission speeds, and avoid unnecessary cable bending or twisting during installation. Overall, the Cat8 Ethernet cable is a reliable, high-speed networking cable that is well-suited for tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals seeking uncompromised data performance. Its blend of durability, speed, and compatibility makes it a recommended choice for anyone looking to future-proof their network infrastructure.